over here. 1 3/4 inch. Swap out the guts here. No more knucklehead junk to work on. We're bowing out a knucklehead. We're going into what's that piece of crap? Oh,
shovelhead junk.
Shovelhead junk. Okay, so this is a 1.6 anvil. I got a 1.2. One of these. No, that's a 1.4 anvil. There's no way it could be that one. Okay, 1.4 goes back. We pull out the 1.6 is what we need. You add the 1.2 to it, and then we'll probably add the 4 to it. And that should get me close to 3/4. But probably not quite there. We'll see. Nope, we made it. There we go. I think it's almost the same size. Only 0.6 of a thou difference between the other one. You like that one? Close enough to you?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's set.
So that's just a known width.
It's a Ringmaster.
Fancy.
From SPI. There's the original part number and everything.
Wow.
That bag is old. So I bought these back in the... when did I buy this crap? I don't even know what year I bought this shit. If it wasn't the 90s, it was the 80s.
Yeah, I was thinking late 80s, early 90s with that purple.
Yeah. Then when on eBay I bought other ones, they quit making them. So I bought extras. And stuff I don't need. Like 7/16. Hey, that's airplane valve guide. See, now I need it. Airplane valve guide.
Perfect, see?
Shit, there's a reason for I needed that.
Yep.
Of course, I've had these for about 10 years. But, I got this fancy blue one right here.
You're thinking ahead.
Let's see, this says panhead rocker arm.
Ooh.
That must be 7/8 of an inch then. Oh, it is.
Good at that.
8, 7, 5, and 0.
Alright.
I must have used that once. Extras. Where's that junk case we had laying around? Oh yeah, this is
Good one.
No, we shouldn't really be doing this right now, but we want to see how bad this is going to be. So. Okay. We're already oversized. Pretty far.
Okay.
I'm thinking this is going to have to be replaced. So you're 3.5 thousandths oversized. 4 thou right there.
Oh.
That's your out around this and blow out bell mouth. Spin it around. See, it's 1 thou out around. Got about the same taper. Or not taper, it's bill mouth, but barrel shaped. It is out around quite a bit. Alright, I don't think we're saving that one.
Okay.
Normally these come in about 12/10 as standard.
Okay.
You got 1 over bearings to work with, so that's 1, 2, puts you at 3/2. And we're at what size right now?
About 3.
3.5 to 4.
Mm.
Alright, so that needs 2 over bearings.
Okay.
Which are hard to come by. But they are out there, so are 3 over bearings. Or we put a new case race and start over, because I think that's going to need a new case race.
Alright. What about the other side?
That's a Timken bearing, he just replaced the old Timken.
Uh,
Alright, so this is a really high mileage case. So if that was cut that way, there's no way it would have worn that much. So that was fitted for 1 over bearings, so it's already worn out. That is loose, as use. Needs that. So not do that. I don't have to hone that now because I know it's bad.
Alright.
Good.
Do you have a replacement
What else do you want
race
to
for
check?
that?
Probably should put a new bearing in here too because it's probably full of grit and grime and crap.
Oh, for sure.
You got your new breather going here?
I don't have a new breather.
You have an old breather?
I have an old breather.
Okay, that's good. Doesn't feel too awful bad.
I don't think the breather's
The
here.
breather's not over here.
It's not. It's probably in my garage.
How's this crank pin look? It doesn't feel like these.
No. It doesn't.
Where's your bearings at? Think they got standard rollers in there?
A trick question. Underside standard.
One thou over.
All right.
Remember I told you it's one thou?
Yeah.
These are one thou over.
All right.
So we give it a quick flash on and put this all back in. These are low mileage. Put it back together with 3 overs. I mean with these, just be a little loose, be fine.
Okay.
Save some money. Or we can put it together with real stuff. Now, we don't know what diameter this is. This has a lot of mileage on this. It's got a lot of wear right there.
Yeah.
I bet you this is not standard. Now these will vary up to 1,000s. That
Okay.
makes a difference on what that is. Let's see what they're going to give us here. This one's a big one. It's actually 0 right there, which is big. There's a couple about 3/4 tenths under that way. About 3/10 under. And that's about 1/10 over. So this shaft was not ground undersized for clearance, it was made standard. So it's 1.25 inches. Usually they grind half a thou to a full thou worth of clearance into it. So when you set up your bearings, it comes in a standard size. So in your case with standard, that makes that bearing tighter. That's why it had to be a little bigger too, to get the clearance it needed. Because this was a big shaft at the time. It's worn quite a bit now right here, but so that's why it was set up like that. And the gear is not coming off, I see. And that is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tooth gear, which is not the good one. That'd be for the early motor. You want the 6-tooth gear, came out in '73. Speeds the oil pump up about 15–20%.
Yeah.
So you get a high volume oil pump on a Harley. Put the later gear set in it.
All right.
It's not the oil pump that changes, the drive ratio changes. The gears are all the same.
Yeah.
All right,
Okay.
so if you use this junk shaft, the junk bearings, and junk case race, it all looks pretty good.
Perfect. Let's not do that.
Good for another few thousand miles, and then get the rest of the life out of this crank, or this ain't a crank, then the main shaft. And then at some point it'll start to flake, but right now it's not. It's still good.
How about we use good new stuff?
And the pairing shaft's got some wear over here, but it's nowhere near like that twin cam over there.
Yeah.
Because this is heat treated and those are crap.
Yeah. All right.
Plus it's replaceable, so you can make it new again. That you buy a new crank. That's why twin cams are so great. All right, so what else do you want to know about your motor?
Do you have the stuff to fix it?
These your rods?
Those are my rods, yeah.
Feel good. Probably just like everything else. Like all this stuff, you freshen up and put it back together, or you rebuild it and start over. It's all about money and how long you want to live.
Well, I like it to live.
You can do
So
a 50,000 mile, 100,000 mile motor, you can do a 10,000 mile motor. I don't like doing motors less than 10,000 because that's kind of a waste of time.
I agree. I say we go.
If you put yours together, you probably got another 20.
Yeah, I say we go bigger than that.
Yeah, maybe 20, 25,000 more out of it. You might get 30.
We've got it all the way apart. We might as well put it back together right.
Well, we know the case are junk. We have to fix them anyways.
Right. We can fix that.
And replacing the top end looks like, so yeah.
If we're going to do it, I say do it right.
Well, we could put a twin cam in, or M8, put an M8 in there.
That's not doing it right.
That's what Harley would do. You roll your bike right down there, they'll sell you a brand new bike that looks just like it, almost, and
But we're at Tatro Machine,
Oh.
not
Not Harley Davidson?
San Diego Harley Davidson.
Oh, that makes a difference. Okay.
Yeah.
So we're going to fix it then?
Right.
Oh, okay.
Do it right.
Oh, we want to make it better than stock. Oh, okay.
Yeah. Let's do that.
I don't know. Need some help. We got different sizes in this stuff. So you got Harley rods, 1936 through 99.
Okay.
Twin turn rods, 99 through 07, 06. Late twin turn rods, 7 and up. And you got M8 rods look just like this, but they're a bit bigger again. And you got crank pin, or crank pin.
Yep.
Rollers versus rollers. Yeah, that's the same roller.
Wow.
Perfect. Stack 'em up. So you know why I like bigger rollers. So there are some good things about later motors. They got a lot better. The rods are a lot stronger.
Right.
Got a lot better, a lot more bearing area. The problem is these are crap. These are got replaceable races in them, but aftermarket takes good replacement parts. So your Ultima motor, what they did was they took all this junk like this and they went with it, and they used this. So they used twin cam bearings and they shortened the rods up to this length, and that's what they put in their Ultima motor.
Oh.
So their motor's a hell of a lot better than stock Harley motor. Instead of using the pinion bearings that look like this, they put a big roller in there, a Torrington roller that's like this but bigger.
Oh, okay.
Slip-in roller would be more like one of these. Slips in the case. They got rid of that. They went to a bigger bearing. So they upped the bearing size and all that on the main bearing also. They still use the Timken on the other side where it belongs. Timken's good. This part of the motor's good.
All right. How's that shaft look?
It looks good too.
Mm-hmm.
Because this shaft will fit right in that motor right there. That 2002 motor.
Yeah.
It'll fit right in that. Timken bearing, everything. But the crank will look like that over there instead of the early car.
Cool.
But there you go. That's what Harley did. They changed some stuff that was better, and they did other stuff that not quite as bad.
Yeah.
But, yeah, typical Harley. All right. I go find some knucklehead parts. Go work on that one over there.